Hey guys, Aaron here with For the Love of Tech, and today I want to talk to you about your cell phone. That's right, I know we talk about phones and technology all the time, but I want to talk to you about how does your cell phone look and feel. Dbrand Skins is a great way to customize your device. Not only can you customize the appearance of your iPhone, you can get skins for your Xbox console and your Xbox remote. With such a wide variety of options and combinations, the possibilities are endless. Today I'm going to show you exactly how you can add some color to your iPhone XS Max. This video is being brought to you by Dbrand Skins. They sent me this skin for free, and they're also giving me 3 additional skins to give away in my upcoming giveaway. Whether it's later today or if the giveaway was yesterday, it all depends on when the video is published. So let's dive in and let's get this thing installed. Okay, let's go ahead and keep this pretty easy peasy. Let's go ahead and open it up, see what we have inside. This is pretty typical for Dbrand packaging. All right, if you've never seen Dbrand packaging, it does look pretty cool. It's very artistic. If you go ahead and take a look at that. Let's see what goodies are inside. All right, since they sent me this for free, I wasn't being overly picky on exactly what color combination I got. I wanted to go ahead and just add some color to my iPhone XS Plus, or 10XS Plus, 10X Max? I don't know. It's the big iPhone. It's the new iPhone. It's the big one. Let's go ahead and see what all these little goodies and variations are there. They always give a pretty good packaging. Look at all these variations Dbrand sent me. They sent me all this for free. Big thumbs up, Dbrand. Thank you. We're gonna go ahead, take a moment, watch the video so we have a good understanding of what we're doing. I actually think I already watched the video and I kind of understand what we're doing here. First and foremost is we have to clean off our phone. Clean off the phone. Make sure you clean your camera. Now it says to always start with the camera. It says you need a tiny little forklift. You need a forklift to install the camera part, but I don't have a forklift, so I'm gonna have to use my hands. I think I have some tweezers around here that might help me as well. These might help a little bit. So I think I'm gonna go with the black camera, right? This is black. I think I'm gonna do orange and black is what I'm gonna do. This goes on first. All right, now as you can see, there's a tiny little hole right there on the left side or the right side, depending on how you're looking at it. That hole is for a sensor on your camera. So you're gonna wanna make sure that you're gonna get that sensor lined up correctly.
A few moments later.
Camera done, boom. Now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna do the carbon fiber orange. Be sure Apple logo matches up, so that's kind of gonna be your guide throughout. And this is the part of the video where if you haven't already, hit pause and go grab a hair dryer. Like, what do you need a hair dryer for? You're gonna see. Hit pause and go grab a hair dryer. The camera's lined up. The Apple logo is lined up. Lined up there, lined up there. So it's a good indicator that you're in the right place. This is where the blow dryer comes into play. Now you're watching at home and you're thinking, Aaron, why do you need a blow dryer? What we're gonna do is we're going to heat up the side plastic or the M3 tape here, and we're gonna get it nice and warm. So that way, when we press it down and it sticks to the phone, it kind of just sucks onto it. It just hugs it really good. So that's what we're gonna do here. And we're gonna put it on low, not high, because we don't wanna burn it. All right, we might have to hit that again. So let's first go ahead and let's just snap on this part here. As you can see, everything here is lining up perfect. Perfect. My only concern is I probably wish it was just up just a itty bitty little smidge up, but that's okay. A smidge, not a whole lot, just a smidge. Still, it's looking pretty good on the install part. I'm having no regrets about this at the moment, and now I'm going to have an orange carbon fiber phone, which I'm pretty excited about. See, it don't look that great. That's why we're gonna hit it with the dryer again. And warming it up will help us shape it and mold it directly to our phone. See, that looks so much better now than when we first put it on. It was kind of out of place a little bit. Now it looks pretty darn good. There it is. Pretty easy peasy to install a Dbrand skin. Move through the steps pretty quick. All you got to do is know what you're doing ahead of time, and you're going to install this thing in no time. The best part is I have 3 other color options that they sent me as well. So if I get bored with this color, since I'm already shipping one color to me, you might as well order a few of them. That way you can change them up every few months. It keeps your phone protected, it keeps it looking fresh, and your friends are going to be looking at you being, dang, how did you get your phone to look like that? And you can be like, Dbrand Skins. That's how, Dbrand.com. That's their website. I don't even know. Dbrand, oh, it totally was Dbrand.com. I was double checking the website. It's Dbrand.com. You can order your Dbrand skin start to finish in about 10 minutes online, at most. Takes a few days to ship to you, you get it, you throw it on, you have some fun, everything is great. Thanks for checking out the install on my Dbrand skin on my iPhone XS Max. I always want to call it the Plus. I'll get it right one day. XS Max. iPhone 10. Anyways, I'll get it. I'll figure out what phone this is. Probably by the time I do that, it'll rotate into something else. Thanks for watching the video. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up and tell me what you liked. If you didn't like the video, give me a thumbs down and tell me what you didn't like. For the love of tech, we're always doing a giveaway. We're doing one today, but by the time this video is published, it'll probably be over. But if you hit the subscribe button, you'll get notified of the next giveaway that's coming up in December. Go in your drawers, go behind your closet, go under your closet, go around your closet, go in your shed, go in your parents' closet, pull out those old electronics that aren't being used anymore, dust them up, shine them up, polish them, send them to someone, give them to someone, put a smile on someone's face, and for the love of tech, namaste.